What's good, and good morning from Canada. So I filmed the intro already. I filmed the whole video, but the intro, the mic cut out. It was really staticky. So I just wanted to say good morning. Hope you're well wherever you are in the world, and enjoy the video. Smash that like button. Let me know. Leave a comment about Wink. All right, guys. So we first started talking about Wink on March 27th at 0.0003. So we made huge gains on Wink, and then I had made an update video on Wink on, when was my last one? April 4th, I believe there was going to be some sell off, and there was. I'm not just, oh, well, you must think you're some sort of wizard. No, I just want to kind of update you guys on what happened. So I believe there was going to be some sell off on April 4th, and I told you guys I had taken some profits and that we might, where's April 4th here? Right here. So I took some profits at 0.0019 because I thought we might sell off and hopefully meet support at 0.0016 and start trending back upwards, and we did, or else we would sell off more. And luckily we hit that support, and I told you guys I would buy back in as we started to trend upwards. Now I didn't sell my whole position, but I took out my initial investment plus some profits, and then I bought back in and rode the wave. I bought back in around here and rode the wave back up, and then took profits again kind of around here when it started to dip down. And then it sold off a little bit more. So we are starting to see it kind of climb back here. Wink just has crazy movement. If we look on the 1 hour, we saw some pretty big red candles, and now we're seeing some buying action. So this could be a very good sign. So I wanted to go over the technical analysis and go over two scenarios, guys. I wanted to go over a bullish scenario and a bearish scenario for Wink, as I believe Wink is more of a high risk play. So Wink is a gambling website, as most of us already know, where you can gamble with your crypto. Very cool games here: Temple Heroes, Iron Bank. Basically just a gambling website. The thing about Wink, guys, is there's not a lot of news coming out for Wink. If we look on their Twitter here, it just tells you, Wink is up almost 4,000%. No sign of stopping. They're just saying like, okay, Wink's up. Snooker Pro Series continues on Wink. Another day and another new all-time high for Wink. So they're kind of just telling you what's going on with the coin price, right? So is the year PSG finale cracks the championship league. First, they overcome defending champions who beat them on the trophy season. All right, guys. So this is more just about bet on this and all soccer matches on Wink. So it's just telling you you can bet on the games on Wink. But there's not a lot of like catalysts, like news that I'd like to see. This Wink token is up another 52% today, but there's no news. Like, I would love to see some news with what's going on with Wink. And if we look here on the roadmap, it's just Q1. They tell you what's going on with Q1 with the launch of Blink, something you guys can look into. But I'd like to see, Q2, Q3, what's going on with Wink. Not a lot of news. If you guys know some news with Wink, please let me know in the comment section. I looked up Win and Wink news, and there's nothing much here. Just price predictions and CoinGecko and stuff like that, and just like investing.com, what the analysts think will happen with the Wink price. All right, guys. So not a lot of news with Wink, not a lot of upcoming catalysts. So I wanted to kind of go over two scenarios. So first, we'll do the bullish scenario, right, guys? So Wink had that massive pump in a few days, 700-800% pump, and what a bearish scenario is a pump and dump. Hopefully, what we don't want to see with Wink is that a huge sell-off happens. It just dumps, like it pumps, it goes up because it went up. If we look here on the 1 week, 400%. Increase, but it was at its peak, it was at like a 700% increase for Wink in a week. Absolutely massive. And what can happen is it can dump, and we're hoping that doesn't happen with Wink. And we see that big dump, and then we find support maybe at 0.011 up here where this line is here, or it can drop even further down to 0.0006, which we don't want to see. Now I'm going to give you guys the bullish scenario. We are in a bull market, and it's very possible. All right, guys. So here we can see Wink on its way up. What happened is, you know, it would jump up and the price would squeeze and we'd see that symmetrical triangle, and we'd jump up again and the price would squeeze and we'd see that symmetrical triangle, and we'd jump up again. And hopefully what we're going to see is that symmetrical triangle once more, and the price buy, sell, consolidate, squeeze, find support, and shoot up again. That's the bullish. That's what we want to see, and that's a great possibility for Wink. Or there could be, you know, the bear scenario where it absolutely sells off. As I mentioned in my video on April 4th, I said that we could either see it, you know, hit that 16 cents and bounce up and then continue upwards, or completely sell off to about 0.0011. All right, guys. Now, if we look here on Binance, we're seeing a bit of a green candle, but it's kind of fighting with the buying and selling right now. But if I want to show it to you guys on the 4-hour here. So on the 4-hour, we can see that red candle. We're currently sitting at 0.002. We were at 0.009 about 30 or 0.0019 at about 30 minutes ago. So this is the 25 MA, the 25-day moving average. Now, if the sell-off continues, we're hoping to find support on the 25 MA, which is about 0.0017, and then start to trend back upwards or trade sideways and then trend back upwards, so we can see the similar chart that we've been seeing here. If we point it out on the 1 month, where we go up, we sell off, we consolidate, there's going to be a little bit of a dip, right? 0.0012 drops down to 0.0010 and then shoots up and then sells off. We go to 0.0019, we sell off to 0.0017. On April 4th, they went as low as 0.0016, and then we shoot up again and we sell off, we shoot up, we sell off, and we sell, and then we shoot up, we sell off again, and then hopefully, you know, a little bit of consolidation and we shoot up again. However, in my opinion, Wink is a high risk play because it could sell off rather quickly. So what I've done with Wink is put something called a stop loss or a stop limit, as you can see over here, to 0.0016. So if Wink breaks the support at 0.0017 on the 25 MA and drops down to 0.0016, you could even do it at 0.0015. Now remember, guys, if you got in as early as we did on the channel, you got in at 0.0003. So even if you were to set a stop loss at 0.0015 or 0.0016, you've still made extremely juicy gains, guys, because it could sell off and find support at 0.0011, even 0.007. That is a possibility if we don't see that buying action to continue that trend upwards and to squeeze upwards, right? It can either squeeze up or it can squeeze and go and drop down, depending on the buying and the selling action, guys. So I want to be very transparent with Wink and tell you guys that I have put a stop limit at 0.0016 for myself, just in case it breaks the support at 0.0017 on the 25 MA. Then I don't, like, I'm not going to lose my gains because I put that stop limit. And when it hits that 0.0016, and then you can set a limit, right? You put your stop and then you set your limit a little bit lower. It could be 0.0015. So it will automatically sell your position, or however much of Wink you're comfortable with selling or holding at that position will sell, and then you don't lose more if it sells off rather quickly, right, guys? So we're hoping to see this bullish scenario as we have here, where the price squeeze shot up, and hopefully we see it again and we shoot up once again. That would be ideal, and we are in a bull market, but I just want to be as transparent as I can. Usually I don't follow coins this closely, but Wink has just been moving like crazy. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys are having a fantastic morning, evening, night, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.